And we're back with Let's Talk Autism. And as we said, we're going to be joined by a special guest. We've got Mark Hildreth. Mark, welcome to the show.
Welcome. Thank you for having me, Shannon and Nancy from out there in California. And we'd like to greet all of our visitors here at Paradise Exteriors office, Southeast Florida, with a welcome to Paradise.
Tell us what Paradise Exteriors does.
We provide impact windows and doors, hurricane-resistant impact windows and doors for homeowners to protect their homes from the damage of aggressive weather like hurricanes.
And just recently, you have stepped into the world of autism because I understand, Nancy, you had a family with a grant. Let's tell us the story of what's happening with this family.
The family needed an impact window for their child with autism.
Because they've broken a few windows.
Broken a few windows, yes.
And Mark, tell us what you have done to help this family out.
Well, I received an email from Miss Ileana Herrera saying that you folks granted her some money to do one window for her son's bedroom, and that piqued my interest a little bit. Most people don't do just one window, and I dug in a little bit, spoke with her, and then I realized that, you know, we're always, of course, at Paradise, we're creating opportunities to give back our hard-earned good fortune. But we're also very good at recognizing opportunities when they're presented to us. So we clearly saw this as an opportunity to help not one, but two families. I expressed to ACT today that I think that we will do this window and we'll absorb the cost, and you can apply that $1,000 to another autistic family for the need.
Which is amazing.
Very generous of you.
Yes. But as you were saying, you noticed, okay, here's a need that we had not even thought of for this product that we have that could be helpful to this family. And as you were just saying to us, your company is new to autism, but I had said welcome aboard because I think you're going to get a lot more people wanting to know about your windows.
Well, I'll tell you, I'm impressed with how much love and money starts flying around when you say autism.
Yes, it does.
We actually now have a GoFundMe page up on the Paradise Exteriors website to finish off Miss Herrera's family's home for her with the rest of the windows and the doors.
For the rest.
And we've already had great response. Our manufacturer, Softlight in Ohio, they're going to contribute, and our distributors. It's just so overwhelming how much money begins to be released and autism's involved. I got to tell you, I'm about ready to have a marketing change and brand these windows as autistic defense system.
Right.
Well, and there are a lot of benefits to these windows.
Yes, in addition to the impact, there's the sound reduction.
Yes, so these windows are, you know, I don't know what words you use, but high impact, but they're super, super tough. But they cut down on sound. They cut down on certain kinds of light. Talk to us about the windows.
Well, the window, you're right. There's tremendous sound, what they call the sound abatement, keeping the noise out. And we found that's a more calming, relaxing environment for studies or for hobbies and interests that might act as relaxation techniques for these children. Well, and then whether they aggressively or inadvertently break the window or come in contact with the window, it can't be broken to the point where it shatters, harms you.
Which is sometimes, you know, Nancy, you've been through this, it can be life-saving.
Yes, it can.
When a kid puts a fist through a window and you have shards
of glass
that can open, you know, veins and lead to somebody bleeding to death.
Right.
So this is a really important thing for us to cover and talk about. So tell the folks that are watching, if they want to know more about Paradise Exteriors, where do they need to go to get more information about these windows, Mark?
Well, we'd like to invite you to the Paradise Exteriors Facebook, first of all, to look at Miss Herrera's story and hopefully Paradise's lead in getting this project started. Your national listener audience can help us finish that house off. Our company, of course, is always looking to give back to the community. We have an annual Thanksgiving food drive for people in our community. And again, this is new to us. This presented it to ourselves in our laps, and we clearly saw it as a way to help Miss Ileana and help you all apply that money to another family. Also, the man I work with, Dan Beckner, he and I were both raised by single, independent women, strong women that found themselves with a house full of children alone. So we both identified with Miss Herrera being a single mom, my mother, Carol, and Dan's mother, Cookie. Great women, and they're watching right now. So this is the hi, mom moment. Hi, mom. That's my picture.
Hi,
This picture of
Mom.
mom
That's
right there.
great.
Oh. So Dan and I are very grateful to the job that our mothers did in very difficult circumstances. So we identified Herrera that way.
I
Well,
love
you
it.
strong women, and as you say, you salute other strong women who are trying to help a single mom out here in a great way, which you're doing. Wonderful work, and we applaud you for taking, not only just fulfilling this grant, but taking it and running with it and trying to use it as a way to benefit other families.
And for
Well,
go ahead.
we consider this, it was a gift to us to be able to provide this gift. That's how we look at it. And again, we just posted this on our Facebook not long ago, and we've already had great response. And I'm sure that your national audience, they're probably typing in that Paradise Facebook right now.
We want to encourage people to go and make a donation of any size. That money will go towards finishing off that home.
And I want to add, Shannon,
Yes.
any extra money that is donated above and beyond the cost to finish this project, and we're going to do it at cost, the excess will go to Act Today so you can apply it to some other families.
That's
Our
amazing.
official title now is Autism Care Today.
There we go.
got rid of the Act
Oh.
Today, so that's okay.
Okay.
I just want to reiterate that it's Autism Care Today.
And for those of you who are watching, who are looking at Mark and you're like, he looks familiar, we haven't even talked about the fact that Mark is an ex-pro wrestler. And Mark, I have to say notably
Look at that.
you are also ex-military, honorably discharged from the Navy, so we salute you for your service, both as a wrestler, but also
You're welcome.
in the military. And I know Nancy can talk to you about the fact that there are many initiatives that are just for the military families that are affected by autism that
Yes.
that Autism Care Today also helps. So I'm sure you guys can have a longer conversation about that. But we salute you for everything that you are doing, Mark, and we thank Paradise Exteriors for jumping on this and seeing that where there is a need and fulfilling that need. That's
Yeah.
a wonderful thing.
Thank you so much.
Well, I believe this is just a start to our relationship.
I agree.
I do too. Thank you, Mark. We
Thank
appreciate
you.
it. Thanks
And
for
thank
joining
you
us.
so much for inviting me on your show. I'm very honored and grateful. And again, to all the listeners out there, we are a company now that is autism minded, and it's going to be on our ticket for causes that we continue to support.
That's great.
Don't
Thank
we
you
love
so
that?
much.
Thank you so much. Paradise
Thank you,
Exteriors,
Pat.
get on their Facebook right now. Donate what you can. Thank you, and thanks to those fabulous moms. We'll talk to you soon.
Thank you,
We'll
ladies.
talk to you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. All right, what a great guy.
Yeah, I know.
Yes, don't we love men who get it and
Yes.
get on it and take
Yes.
action and are, it's fabulous thing.